So, now, if we have karma that arises, so if I give her things, and I give her food, and I tell her nice things, and I nurture her mind, and I help her mind to become more confident, grow, and think wider and bigger, you know what happens? She will suffer less. She will have better relations with everyone. She will find peace. She will let go of pain. She will let go of harm. And then she becomes an even more beautiful person. Because why? She's let go of all that. And that's the same for everyone. So if I have that kind of relationship with her, of course, by doing that for a normal person, from a normal person to a normal person, when I do that, in this life and future lives, I will have a calm mind. I will always be born in places where it's calm, free from wars, free from diseases, free from dirty environments, free from danger, because I created that for her. You understand? So if I'm always trying to get her, harm her, get something from her, and steal something from her, trick her, I will be born in places that are dirty, war-torn. I will be born in places full of diseases and plagues. And wherever we go, it's always dirty. The water's polluted, the environment's polluted, because I create that kind of environment for her. And that's just on a normal level, okay? On a normal level, if we do things to other sentient beings, animals, spirits, humans, do we collect karma? Good, bad, and neutral karma. Correct.
Yes.
So, is it logical to think if we do something with the Buddha, we also collect karma? Of course. Of course. You see, whether that person feels the result of your intention or not is not the point. It's your intention that creates the karma. So if I slap Cindy, right? If I slap Cindy because she fainted to wake her up, that's beneficial. If I slap her because I'm unhappy with her, that doesn't benefit her. But a slap is a slap, but it's my intention. So let's say she fainted, and I said, oh, yo, I gotta wake her up. Wake up, we gotta go, come on. There's some animals coming, we're in the forest, right? I slap her and wake up. I slap her to help her, to wake her up. Say, wake up, come on, let's go. I want to save her life. And it saves her life. Is that good or bad?
Good.
Very good. Let's say she's my roommate. And there's a cake she ate. I slap her while you eat the cake. It's mine. Slap her again because she answered back to me. Is that good or bad?
Bad.
But it's a slap. So the intention is important.